I don't know where we're going right now, but we're supposed to be going out to this place called the Knob to see the sunset, and it's leading us down a shady trail. What'd you say? Hi.
It's like one of those cheesy books. First anniversary, the wife takes the husband on some crazy place.
No, we went to a crazy place on our honeymoon. Well, here we go again. We're out to discover. Okay. I don't know which way to go. Oh, geez. Oh, steps. Or this. Crap. Which way are we going?
I don't know which way is which.
I don't know.
Shut up. I will use the handy dandy map. You are here. Knob is there, so it's the right. Left or right?
It's this one. We're going this way. Oh, there's steps both ways.
It's like a mile walk.
It is? Do we really want to do this then?
Your bright idea.
I didn't know it was like this.
Lies.
I had no idea.
You too. She's lying.
I had no idea. I didn't know. I thought you like pull up to it, or you park and you walk like a few feet and you like see the sunset from this place. Holy. We have made it. That wasn't that far of a walk. We didn't know. It's beautiful. It really is. Let me flip the camera around. That's the Knob. It's a beautiful place to watch the sunset. Are you filming me? Filming you? Hello.
Hello.
Happy first anniversary.
Happy first anniversary.
Alright, we're going to sit here and watch the sunset.